In this video, we'll be identifying the parts of the urinary system. Those include the kidney, the ureter, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. So because the kidney's job is to filter blood, you'll find them filled with a lot of this rubbery blue dye that also fills the veins. So you'll find a kidney on each side, so a total of 2 kidneys, and they are round, and connected to the kidneys you'll find a tube that is the ureter. If you have a female cat, the uterine horns are kind of located close to the kidney, so you need to be sure that you're looking at the ureter and that it's actually attached to the kidney. And then the ureter will carry urine down into the urinary bladder, where it will be stored until the urine is ready to release. So the urine is produced in the kidney, it's carried down through the ureter into the urinary bladder, and then when the bladder is full and it's time to evacuate the urine from the body, it will travel out through the urethra. So it's this tube right here that leads out of the body.